Welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's see insertion sort. We have an array which is unsorted and let's sort it in the ascending order using insertion sort. So in the first step, let's put the first element 15 into the sorted list or sorted array in the first step. In the second step, let's consider the second element 20 and let's compare with 15. 20 is greater than 15, so it will occupy the second position. In the third step, let's compare 2 with 20. 2 is lesser than 20, so it will check with 15. 2 is also lesser than 15, so it will occupy the first position, that is before 15 and 20. So it will be first it will check with 20, it is less. So it will check with 15, it is less than 15, so 2 occupies the first position. In the step 4, it will check 5. 5 is less than 20, so it will check with 15. 5 is also less than 15, so it will check with 2. And 5 is greater than 2, so it will occupy the position after 2. In the step 5, it will compare 1 with 20. It is 1 is less than 20. So it will compare with 15, 1 is less than 15 also. It will compare with 5, 1 is less than 5. It will compare with 2, 1 is less than 2 also. So it will occupy the position before 2. Then in the sixth step, it will compare the value 10. 10 comes, 10 is less than 20, so it will check with 15. 10 is also less than 15, so it will check with 5. 10 is greater than 5, so it will occupy the position after 5. So 10 comes in this particular position. And in the last step, it will check for the 16th element. 16 is greater than 20, less than 20, so it will check with 15. But 16 is greater than 15, so it will come after 15. So in this way, we take a element in the sorted list and compare all the elements on that particular element and sort it accordingly. So this is how the insertion sort works in Python.